Hello everyone, como esa café? It's your girl in the building. It's Jasmine Rose. What's good? I just got a package that I got from Amazon. I ordered it and it came next day, and I'm really excited to try this out because your girl has been wanting to try microblading for some time, but the way microblading expenses are, they don't complement my pockets. I found an alternative, a cheaper alternative, henna, and I saw some videos on like henna tinting or whatever, and so I found this on Amazon and I want to try it out. So it is a semi-permanent dye. It stays up to 6 weeks. There's no ammonia, no lead, no nothing like that, and it's cruelty free, so you know your girl had to try it. We're gonna see what this henna does for my my barely there brows. So I end up getting 2 boxes. I got the black and the dark brown. I'm thinking the black I'm gonna put on the outer portions of the brows, and then the dark brown is gonna be in the the front to give me sort of that gradient look that I like and that looks natural to me. I'm mixing the black and the dark brown in 2 separate little containers. I have black here and I have dark brown here. Dark brown doesn't look very darkish brown. Now I'm going to take the little droplet tools that came and just add some water, and then I'm gonna mix it up. This is what the black looks like. Hopefully I don't spill anything because it's a smooth paste. The dark brown doesn't look like anything really. Black, dark brown. I'm just taking some alcohol, making sure the area is clean. All right, so I have cleaned the area. So I'm gonna start off at the end. Now let me try the dark brown, and actually it kind of got a bit darker, so that's good to know. I'm satisfied. Next, I'm gonna do the other brow. I'm supposed to leave a timer on for 15 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 15 minutes.
This is what the brows are looking like right now. I'm hoping that they come out looking decent and not exactly like this. I have a lot of this stuff left over, and I get to put it in these little tubes and save it for the next application, which will be in about 6 to 8 weeks. I will come back and show you guys the finished product.
A few inches later.
All right, 15 minutes is up, and now I have to remove with a cleanser. So I'm taking my Pixie, what's it, hydrating milky makeup remover, and I'll be taking it on a clean cotton pad. Oh my goodness. All right. First impressions. The color definitely stayed. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. And look, I'm like wiping, and your good sis is not coming off. Your girl's got brows. Let me just wipe again so you guys can see that I definitely removed the henna. This is real life. Yes, Please. Thank you. I am satisfied. Zye m'ouvri, oui? Mwen ka wè kounya, oui? God bagay sa. If you are not trying to spend $500 on microblading, if you don't like the pain of microblading, if you want to be able to do something at home, quick 15-minute little beat, henna just might be for you, sis. Henna just might be for you. And if you're looking for like a great cruelty-free option, I'm just saying, if you try it, let me know. I'll be sure to leave what I use in the description box, my Amazon link, you know what I'm saying? Full sister out. That is pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you all so much for watching and supporting and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.